Now students, see page number 31. I am reading our remaining paragraph. In the countryside, peasants cultivated most of the land. In villages, so many farmers. Now they cultivated their land. But the nobility, the crown, and the Orthodox Church owned large properties. But these people, nobility people, royal people, and Orthodox Church, this community also control large land or properties. Like workers, peasants too were divided. Now in the above paragraph we have seen workers were divided into different social groups. Like peasants also divided. They were also deeply religious. So peasants, they were religious people. They believed in religion. But except in a few cases, not more, they had no respect for the nobility. They showed their respect towards nobility, towards we can say the royal people. No. Nobles got their power and position through their services to the Tsar, not through local popularity. So nobility, whatever they had respect, their power, their status, now they got because of keeping a relationship with the Tsar, not because of the local popularity. This was unlike means here opposite. France, here in Russia we can see the different situation, and in France we can see the different situation. This was unlike France, where during the French Revolution in Brittany, peasants respected nobles. Now this was the different situation. In France, peasants, they respected to their nobles and fought for them also. But in Russia, now they didn't show their respect to the nobles. In Russia, peasants wanted the land of the nobles to be given to them. Now they wanted whatever the nobles, they had a land, this land should be distributed among we can say the poor, peasants and farmers. Frequently they refused to pay rent and even murdered landlords. So to oppose them, they refused to pay rent, as well as sometimes they killed landlords also. In 1902, this occurred on a large scale in South Russia in the year 1902 in southern side. So murdering, killing, refusing to pay rent. Now such a situation, happened on a large scale. After that, and in 1905, such incidents took place all over Russia also. Now I am reading this last lines. Try to understand. Russian farmers were different from other European peasants in another way. Now they were different from the other peasants, European peasants. How? They pooled their land together. Here pooled means hand over. They had to hand over. To whom? To periodically. Periodically means time to time. And their commune, here underline commune. Commune means village community, mir. Now they handed their land to the village community, to the mir, divided it for the division land, and mir or commune distribute the lands according to the needs of individual families. Now redistribution of lands which was done by the commune or mir. By this way, Russian peasants were different from another peasants. Now here students, this paragraph is over. Next paragraph we will read in next clip.